In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your free content inside Circle.so. Let's dive right in and make the most of this platform by structuring your content effectively so you can engage and grow your community seamlessly. To begin, log into your Circle.so account. If you're new to Circle, make sure you have your credentials ready. Once you're logged in, you have access to all the features Circle offers right at your fingertips. Now take a look at the left sidebar. There, you'll find an option labeled Spaces. Click on it and you'll see the option to create a new space. Spaces are essential as they allow you to categorize your content efficiently. Click Create Space, and now you're ready to set up the foundation for your content. Next, it's time to name your space. Think about your community's interests and choose a name that reflects the type of content you'll be sharing. Once you've decided, select a space type that suits your content best, whether it's posts, a video library, a course, chat, and more. Don't forget to click Create to finalize this setup. Inside your newly created space, you can start adding posts. Click Create Post, and you'll be able to add a title, description, and various content types like texts, PDFs, or videos. This diversity allows you to provide your audience with valuable and engaging content. Let's move on to accessibility settings. Click on the Settings tab, navigate to Access, and decide whether your space will be accessible for free or if it will be members only. Once you've made your selection, remember to save changes. This step is crucial for controlling who gets to view your content. An excellent way to ensure your audience can easily find content is by using topics or tags. While optional, adding these can dramatically improve navigation within your space. To do this, head over to the post editor, type a topic name into the topics field, and press enter. Repeat these tagging steps to organize all of your free content effectively. Once your posts are set up, consider how to best display them. Click on the sort/filter option at the top of your space. Here, you can choose to arrange your content by newest, oldest, or topic, making it easier for users to find what they're interested in exploring. For a more cohesive look, consider creating a landing space or homepage. This optional step allows you to highlight your best free content, guiding new visitors effortlessly. Go into Settings, then Branding, and select Edit Homepage. Make sure to showcase your free content